Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the rotate double ginger body effect in CapCut PC to your video. So there is a new effect, the new body effect in CapCut PC that's rotate double ginger. So you can find on effect and select body effect, and here's the rotate double ginger. But it is pro effect, you have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. So how to use it? So go to media and import your photos or videos that you like to edit. And for example, I'm going to select right, that's vitamin image, and go to effect, select rotate per ginger. So just for the duration, and you can find, you can see the final result. Like that's it. It's so super simple, and it is applies to video as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.